I was siyempre as a fangirl, I was so, happy na nangyari, oh my God, na nangyari yun. Also, nung day na yun actually kakadating lang namin ng hotel waiting for check-in. So, ako ang gusto ko lang nung time na yun makita lang yung mga location ng Meteor Garden kasi fan nga ako, makita ko lang yung mga location sa Meteor Garden. And then ayun, nung nakita ko si Shansai, actually hindi lang ako naka-smile nun, eh, umiyak ako. Kasi siyempre dream come true talaga siya para sa akin because sa compared to K-dramas, compared to other Taiwanese dramas, si Barbie Hsu talaga yung idol ko. Dapat kinis ko na, hinag ko na, hiningi ko na yung number. Sayang, daming comment dun. Ate, sana, grabe, kung kayo nandoon, kinakabahan talaga ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, like, kilig na kilig ako. Pero babae ako, pero kinilig ako. Barbie Hsu, you've been a part of my childhood. Barbie Hsu, you've been a part of my childhood and I'm really happy na even though nawala ka ng medyo maaga, I was able to see you in person and also to admire your works and then your films and also inspire the youth to be an advocate of what you're advocating about. Kasi also she is advocating about, 'di ba, sa mga she's a vegetarian, vegan siya, and she's also helping yung animals, ganyan, mga animal shelter. So, ayun, Barbie, I hope you're in a good place na.